everybody, this is PlasmaticNinja, and welcome to this little tutorial in this game programming software called GameMaker. I'm going to be showing you the basics of variables and coding and all that in my new series, How to Program. So let's just get right into it. So first, let's make a name for our project. So I'm going to call it DVD Bounce. And basically what it is don't look at this stuff. This is just, we'll get to it. Okay, so this is the Game Maker window. So what I'm going to start by doing is clicking this little Pac-Man icon, and we're just going to call it SPR_DVD. And basically now we're in the sprite editor form, and so I'm going to make the width 48 by 32. So if you remember your childhood, you probably watched DVDs just like me, and you may remember this little icon, and he was like a face. He looked like a face. I'll pull something up. Yeah, anyways guys, I'm back. Oh, sorry about that. This isn't working out very well. Let's just finish drawing our sprite, why don't we? So here is the D, this is the B, and the other D. DVD. Just like that. Okay? And now let's make it, this is fine. Good color. Okay. So now we gotta make a copy. So you may be realizing what I'm doing, but shoot. Okay, colorizing it like that, and then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna colorize this one to be a different color. This is gonna be the orange one. Very not even different at all, whatever. This color will be the green one. And then we're gonna have the let's see here, the blue one. So we got all these grand colors, just like this. So we got a purple, a red, a yellow, a green, and a blue. It's a full rainbow. Isn't it great? Great. Okay, so we're gonna center that sprite at the origin, because you gotta center it. So that is the only sprite for this game, and the only object for this game is going to be obj_dvd. Now, what's going to happen with this is we're going to set the sprite to be that, the DVD that we just drew. And I'm going to make a create event, and I'm going to say initialize variables. Now this is a comment. Well, comments, you got the 2 slashes or 3 slashes, however many slashes you like. You take those slashes, and then this green text won't be read as code, so you can write whatever you want. I could say, welcome to this video, okay? And it won't read that, like GameMaker won't say, it won't like speak welcome to this video when you open up the game or anything. It's just there, okay? Anyway, so the first code function we're gonna say is image speed equals 0. This will stop the object from animating. Now we're gonna say image index equals irandom_range between 0 and 4. Now it's gonna say that the frame is a random number between 0 and 4, and if you remember, we had 4 frames to our sprite of the guy. So he's gonna start out as that. Okay, so now we have x speed equals 0 let's make it 4, and y speed equals 4. These are the speeds of the guy. So like when he touches a wall, the x speed will become -4, and then he'll be going left now. And then when he goes the other way, then he'll go right again, you know? It'll look pretty cool. Alright. And then yeah, that's about it, actually. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so this is the step event. This is the main step for initialized variables processes .exe, okay, and now we're gonna do some stuff. So we're gonna say x equals x plus x speed. That's gonna say that his x coordinate is going to be whatever. He's gonna okay. And then we got that, okay. And now we got to now we gotta say if bbox underscore right is greater than room width, then x speed equals negative x speed. That's gonna swap the variable. It's gonna be pretty cool. And then we're gonna say if bbox left is less than 0, then we're gonna say x. Oh wait, I can make this a bit more concise. You know, I can say or. These two little lines, this indicates or. So if the right side of our sprite is farther than the edge of the room, or if the left side of the sprite is less than the left side of the room, then it swaps. Now we can do the exact same thing for the y. Let's just copy and paste that. We'll say bbox bottom is greater than room height, or bbox top is less than 0. Then we just say y speed equals negative y speed. Just like that. Beautiful. Okay. And then, as it does that, we're also going to say, we're going to make a while loop. So we're going to say do, wait, I don't know this very well, until that. Okay. Wait, how does do until work? You know what? I'll be right back, guys. Just kidding. I'm not going anywhere. You can see me. You can see me do embarrassing stuff. Okay. Okay. So it goes do statement until expression. So do. So I believe it goes like do until that. I don't know how to type this stuff. This is some weird stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'll just say var I equals image index, and then I'll say while image index equals I, then image index equals I random range 0. Okay, and then I'll do the exact same thing right here. Now you might be wondering what does do plus man, what you're getting on about. Well, I'm about to show you. So yeah. Is there anything else I want to add to this? Yes, there is one more thing that I realized. So I gotta say x equals I random range between 64 and room width minus 64, and then I'm gonna say y equals I random range 64 room height minus 60. Okay, and now yeah, that's just about it actually. Yeah, so now I gotta do the final thing of the game. You gotta make a room. Now, if you remember your DVD logo logic, it's a black screen, so we're gonna go to the backgrounds menu. We're gonna change that to black, and then we gotta go into views. We're gonna enable use views. So visible room start. Oh, we also need a DVD logo too, just so you know. We're gonna need that. I'm gonna make this room a bit smaller because I like my rooms kind of small. It saves memory. You know, that looks pretty good. I'll make it a 10. No, I don't care. Alright, so this is room 0. Big deal. And then finally, I'm gonna set the port on screen to be also 640 by 480. This to be 640. Basic stuff. Alright, and now it is time for the test of our first video game. It is a simulation game. Are you ready? So, see that? Oh, you see that? Yeah. And then he bounces. See, okay, so now the name of the game is, we're gonna take it one step further. We're gonna make it so that okay. Alright. So I'm gonna say if B-box right is you know what? Never mind. This is taking too much brain power. My brain is hurting as of late. So yeah, that was the thing. I'll show you guys it one more time because you know. So next time you play a game for a long time, and then the DVD screensaver comes up, you know that how it's programmed. You know how they made it. You know, it's not some weird long video. It's actually just a simulation code. And yeah, that is my tutorial on how to make a DVD screensaver for every operating system. Thank you for watching. Oh, just hit the corner. Oh, barely.